Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by preparing the device. Charge it and insert the active SIM or enable the eSIM. This gives you mobile data to share. Once powered, wait for the LED or screen to show signal strength so you know the modem registered. Then, make a direct Wi-Fi connection from your phone or laptop to the Hotspot SSID, or open the admin address in a browser to begin configuration. This is the step that turns a gadget into a working network. Now configure the network so it's secure and efficient. Change the SSID to something recognizable, then set a strong Wi-Fi password using WPA2 or WPA3. This prevents casual access. Make sure to change the admin password too, because default credentials are insecure. Next, choose the radio band, 4 GHz for range or 5 GHz for speed. Set the DHCP range and device limits, and enable any data saving or tethering controls. Save and reboot so settings take effect. Finish by connecting your phone, laptop, or tablet to the configured SSID with the new password. Test loading websites and run a quick speed check to confirm performance. Monitor the hotspot's data usage and connected device list so you don't hit caps, and enable auto sleep or a data cap if you need to conserve allowance. Finally, keep firmware current and reboot occasionally. If a device won't connect, restart the hotspot and the client device. This simple step resolves most issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.